Okay, I let it rest overnight. I wanted to see if maybe it would give me back some credits overnight. It hasn't though. If I go into my Windsurf settings and scroll down to plan, so my trial is almost up. I've used all my credits, zero left, and I'm going to have to upgrade. At this point, it's probably worth it. Let's take a look at what their plans look like. And again, this confirms in their site. I've used all my credits, so let's upgrade. Okay, I think at some point the Pro was 10 bucks a month. 15 really isn't too bad. I believe Cursor was 20, and this is what you're getting. 500 premium model credits, 1500 flow action credits, and you can buy more as needed. On the free trial, I got five premium model user prompts and 5 premium model flow action credits. So everything we've done so far was on the free plan, and I think we took that pretty far with free. So let me go ahead and purchase the Pro. Okay, so it tells me payment was successful. Click here or restart the Windsurf editor to update your credits. Let's see what happens if I click this button. Okay, look at that. Credit renews in 30 days. I'm on Pro. 500 left, 1500 left. Okay, so I think we're in. Okay, when we left off, yesterday, we were able to create articles, but some of the features of the rich text editor were disabled, and some of the formatting wasn't working. As I mentioned, you really have to go through feature by feature by feature to make sure that it's all working. For the sake of our time here, I'm not going to do that, but I do want to play with this a little bit more. This is really the heart of the system, is making sure that you could create decent looking articles and that they look okay on the end user side. So just went to Wikipedia. I'm going to open up something with a little formatting in here. So let's see how this looks. This has some links. This has some bold, has some lines. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to go back to the admin, manage articles. I'm going to create an article. And I'll just stick it. And if I paste, all right, when I paste, looks like it kept the bold, it kept some of the links. It lost the horizontal lines though. Let's just see what this looks like if I add this. If I edit it, looks like it kept that formatting. If I go to the end user view, go to English stock market. Okay, not bad. It looks like it did work. If I click one of the links, it works, but it throws me out of this view. I would like this to automatically open a new tab. If I go into edit the article itself, I could probably control that from here. If I could find the settings for hyperlinks somewhere. Insert link. Yeah, so open link in, say, new window. Let's see if that works. The word was ownership. Now if I find ownership, it does open in a new window. All right, so you'd have to do that for each link in here. Okay, that's fine. Interestingly, it's also showing the view count. That's pretty cool. That's not something I asked for, but I would probably ask for that eventually, which is pretty cool. That could show trends, and you could probably make some reports out of this at some point. Let's play a little bit with some of the formatting, the centering. That didn't look like that was working. And I'm just pasting the same block of text here, and maybe I could try to center this size of the market. Align center, and going to change market to purple. Let's see if it keeps that. If I edit it, nope, that's gone. So it seems to be losing formatting, some formatting. So this is what I was saying. If that's important to you, you have to do these bit by bit. No, lost. So let me see if AI could help fix that. I'm going to be a little more explicit. If I try to center text using the, do they call it a justify maybe? Align center. Okay, so say I'm trying to use the align center toolbar command. Okay, this might be a matter of maybe a certain tag is being stripped out again. I don't know, let's see. Oh, actually, I'm on, after I cleaned up my my Git branches, I'm still in the, I made an articles branch, so that's what we're going to continue on. Oh, I did this under chat instead of write. Let me redo that. Just a reminder, if you do chat instead of write, it's going to tell you what to do, but it won't actually do it. So we're going to write using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so it says, I'll update the bleach configuration in admin py to properly handle text alignment and other styles. We need to modify both the add article and edit article functions. Okay, so yes, that anytime you try to clean up any input, you might end up with stuff getting lost, and that's probably what's happening with Unicode characters as well. But it was not able to fix that. So I look at admin py. It's allowing more stuff in here. I don't explicitly see center. Maybe text align is what it needs to do. We'll keep these. And then in changes log, put some more information here. The edit style attributes. So now I should be able to do text alignment, margins, padding, font properties, colors and backgrounds, display, position properties, table specific attributes, and some more HTML attributes. Okay, let's see what happens when we try it again. I'm going to delete this one. And let's copy this again. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. We'll center this and change the color of market. Do purple again. Oh, failed to add article, unknown error. Problem with bleach clean again. Got an unexpected keyword argument, styles. So let's feed this back into chat. Nope, did that wrong. Highlight, add it to chat, and let's see how it fixes it. So this attempt to clean up input is causing us a lot of grief, but for a professional level application, you never trust input. You want to make sure that that all input is sanitized. Never trust end user input. But it comes with headaches, as you see. Okay, so it removed a tag here. I don't know how that's going to help me. Keep changes, I guess. Now creating a CSS file to handle the text formatting. Okay. That's a new CSS file. And editing articles GIS. And this looks like some of the tiny MCE settings, changing some stuff on the toolbar, importing styles. Oh, we're getting deep now. Okay, keep changes. And also made some changes to import that style sheet. Sure. Okay, it says try again, so let's try again. Refresh. I lost my ability to change the color in here. It removed that on me. Again, this is why end-to-end test is so important. It's going in there, making code changes, and you lose some stuff that used to be there. Format. Oh, here's text color. I think it was background color before. I'll do text color now. Make the text color purple. I messed that up, but no big deal. Let's see. Okay, well, I was able to save it, and now if I edit it, nope, still not centered, still not colored. If I view it as an end user, no. So again, where we are spiraling a little bit, where it seems to be making some changes, but not actually fixing the issue. So I'm going to try just one more time. It says it's still not working. Can you try again? And we're back to allowing style attributes in Bleach, but handling them more carefully. Looks like I'm making a lot of changes now. Again, a bunch of allowed tags, allowed attributes. Now, if you're doing this for real, again, you need end-to-end tests. You're going to want to make sure that it is properly saving and displaying your content the way that you want it to be viewed. Keep changes. And now we're upgrading Bleach. Okay, let's do that. Okay, it looks like there was an update from 6.1 to 6.2. It says it has better CSS sanitization support. Okay, it says try again. Just gonna delete the old one to avoid confusion. Nope, failed to add article, unknown error again. So I assume there'll be an issue with sanitizing again. Nope, issue now with tiny CSS2. So we're changing code and we lost tiny CSS2 somehow. Add this to the chat and let's see what happens. Okay, it wants to install tiny CSS2. Maybe that was a requirement of the latest Bleach, I'm not sure. Now that we have the required dependency installed, try creating or editing an article with centered text again. The CSS sanitization should work properly now. Where have I heard that before? But let's try again. Okay, place your bets. Let's see. Okay, it's saved. Nope, still not centered. If I view it from the end user, no, not centered. Now I'm just curious, if I open the database itself, I want to see what it's saving. I wonder if there's an issue on the way in or on the way out or both. Okay, let's view browse data for articles, and this was the one named center. Let's see if we could view this and make sense of the data in here. Size of the market, this was it. Being saved with heading, H2. I don't see, oh, that's interesting. Span style for the word market, that's the one that we tried to color. Style is empty, so I think it's failing on the way in. And style is also empty for the H2, so it's failing on the way in, not on the way out. So whatever this bleach library is doing seems to be throwing away code. But I don't want to spend more time on this. I'm going to end this video here, and next time around, let's see if we can get search to work.